Alright, by this time we all know about the tabs and the ribbons in Excel. Now today we're going to see how we can create a tab, a custom tab with the applications we want in them. Okay, so to do that, just click do a right click on anywhere in any ribbon and then go to customize the ribbon. From there, just click on this new tab button, and as you can see, a new tab has been assigned. And if you click on OK, you will see that there's a new tab here named new tab, and it does not contain anything. Its ribbon is actually blank. So what you can do here is do the same thing. Do a right click, then go to customize the ribbon. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to add our commands here. Okay, the commands you'd like to use, or the commands you frequently use, or the commands you want in this tab. Alright, so I'm just taking a few randomly. First, say let's take some. Oh, sorry about that. We'll have to take it in the group. No, we have taken some. Then let's take shapes. Now let's take insert function. Right, so that's how you can add. Now let's click on OK, and as you can see that in this group, in the ribbon, there's a new group here, and in this group there's some shape, insert function, and etc. Now you can also add another group like that, then another group, then another group. There we have that. Now just click on new group, and another group has appeared. Now you can rename that with an icon. You can also select an icon for that. Let's just call this group 2. Okay, group 2, and we're not giving any icons right now. Just click on OK. Now in group 2 I want filter and fill color, so just there go, fill color, and then we have filter. Now click on OK. Now as you can see, there's new group and there's group 2. Group 2 contains there we have fill color, and then we have filters here. And if you want, you can change the name of new tab as well. Just go to customize the ribbon again. Now here's new tab. Just select on new tab custom, then click on rename, and rename your new tab. I'm calling this intro to custom. Okay, click on OK, and then you can also change this new group name. Let's just rename it to say sum, then shape function. Okay, and then let's add a symbol to it as well. Now click on OK, and click on OK. There we go. We have sum, shape, function. Now that's how you can add stuff to your new tab that you have created. You can also add new groups in the ribbon, and that is how you can do that. So I hope you found this video helpful and got to learn something new. And you can use this to put all together the commands you actually use, like from home. You don't think that you don't use all of the commands. Sometimes you just use the bold, italic. I mean, you just use the font and alignment. You don't generally use the numbers, or maybe your work does not need numbers. And then from insert, you don't need all of this. You just need the text box, and etc, etc. And you can make a custom tab and then organize it with the commands that you use or you need, and you can just stay in one tab to do all the necessary requirements that you used to do from various tabs. So that is the magic of this. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.